Hi, and welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Robin Dolan. I'm a writer, musician, caregiver, and homeschooler. Please check out my website, robindolanauthor.com, and my other social media, which are linked on my channel page, where you can go to subscribe. Today I'm just giving a quick update about my seatbelt repair and garden pruning mess. Back in November, my seatbelt was all twisted and giving me problems. Here's how I fixed it. So this is utterly unbelievable. My seatbelt was so twisted that I thought it was going to take me forever to get it untwisted because I kept trying the fold and pull through method and it just kept getting worse. But today I sat down, I took my time, and you can see just about three times folding and pulling through here, and it's completely untwisted and perfect again. And it was just days because I kept trying to do it and it just kept getting worse, and now it's perfect. So I don't know what the difference was. Maybe I just took the time to see what direction it was going instead of making it worse. Here is what my grapevines looked like before pruning. The morning glories are already pruned back and laying across a ladder. So today I did a bunch more pruning. I pruned back the grapefruit tree. So I'm going to take the cover off and just let it be out in the open again. But I had to prune back the branches away from the fence, down from the top, so that it won't go, so we can keep it down from the electrical lines. I pruned back the grapes all the way, not all the way. I've got some tidying up to do here, but they're not going to be pretty and green for Thanksgiving after all, because all the green stuff was on the longer parts of the branches. You can see my big pile there, and there's 2 trash cans in the corner. So this is my mess. I gotta clean them up and shape them a little bit. I think I'm gonna let the jasmine keep going because I think it flowers out again in a couple months. I don't want to trim it back too far. I've got a tree here that I'm going to dig up and put in the front. It was just a little leaf at the beginning of summer, and now under the grapevines it's gotten huge. And the lemons are getting ripe really fast. I trimmed back the lemon tree a lot, and some of it I left. Like I left this awkward branch here because it was so full of fruit. So as soon as that ripens up and I pick it, yes, it's sitting on a chair actually, so it doesn't sit on the ground. As soon as I pick it, then I'll trim that branch off, because this guy, he's almost perpetually producing. Poor guy. And there's a whole bunch of lemons over here too. There's a bunch. Yeah, now you can see. My morning glories need a little tidying up, but they are coming back pretty good after their dramatic pruning the other day. And here's some of my supports that I took down from the grapevines, and 2 30-gallon cans of grapevines. Yep, and we did get a lot of grapes this year, so it was nice. Next year, hopefully I'll have some better supports so that they make a canopy instead of a jungle. Now we're in our Southern California winter with lots of gorgeous sunshine and highs in the 60s and 70s, interspersed with days of gray, stormy weather with highs in the low 60s. I'm repotting plants, starting seeds, mulching leaves, and all that kind of stuff right now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, share it. Next week we'll give you an update on how I fixed my Maytag dryer.